As summer begins, the guests arrive.
Sir.
Good evening.
Well, sit down, join us.
Isn't she adorable?
Even the thought of her makes my heart race.
No, don't be shy. He's a celebrity, but he has a simple soul.
Boris Trigorin, he's so famous. He looked young.
He is young and accomplished, don't remind me.
The stage is set
Hello.
Hello.
Who is that you were talking to? Nina.
Yes.
for a little family drama.
Have you seen Nina?
She went to the lake with Boris.
It's not often I have the occasion to meet young, interesting women.
What does it feel like to be famous?
Masha, why is my son so depressed?
He's heartsick. What's that supposed to mean?
Constantine! I love Constantine. Such a face, such a marvelous voice. You must go on the stage.
I envy you. You're happy.
Please, be generous. Let me go.
What, are you that infatuated with her?
Why do you always wear black?
I'm in mourning for my life.
I'm the reason for your misery these past 20 years.
I've only been miserable the past 10.
I'm just a woman, like any other.
This is your chance to be a woman unlike any other.
Remember all the laughter and the noise? And the love affairs. So many love affairs.
The Seagull.
I am going to tear this love out of my heart.
How are you going to do that?
I'll get married.